Basics of formatting and editing. To demonstrate formatting and editing, I'm actually using a document that I proofread for another student. And one of the options that you have with formatting is, of course, you can always change your text. And if you right-click within your document, here you can make the adjustments for your text. You can change your style. You can change your font size. You can also do that with these options here: colors, boldface, italics, your alignment, your increased indentations or adding bullets can be done as well. A common feature that is typically used with papers is change the spacing. If you need to change spacing for a particular document, you can come under your paragraph function, and by clicking that little down arrow, you can choose your indentation. You can choose your spacing. So if the paper needs to be single spaced, you could actually change it to single, or you can come back and you can change that to double. You can also change your font size from this tab here, or by right clicking. You can also remove formatting styles by doing the undo button, as I've used previously here. You can also use an option that I've found very useful when proofreading papers. But if you go to Review, this is the tab that you would use for your spelling and grammar. And you can actually set that to do your spelling and grammar check prior to saving or closing a document. You can use your thesaurus to find other words. Or something I found useful is being able to show your changes. You can do original, show and markup. You can say this is your final copy, or you can say final, show and markup. And you can select which documentation you want to be showed. You can choose track changes so that that's shown, and you can say how you want that to show. So that way, when I proofread this document, anything that I change is going to be shown. And this will prove helpful for her so she can see anything that I've changed. You can also choose compare. So when she comes in and sees any markups or anything that I've made, she can come in and choose compare to see what the difference is in what she has and what I've changed if I didn't want to show the markup. Or she could choose to combine. Under your page layout, you can change your orientation of your paper, whether or not you want to do landscape or portrait. You could change the size of your paper. And here is also where you would choose to do columns. You could choose 2 columns, 3, or other options such as having one column bigger than the other. Here's also where you would do page breaks or column breaks. You can use text wrapping. You can number your lines. Well, basically, those are the basic functions that you would use for formatting.